Hey guys, so I went back to Five Below yesterday, and if you go to different locations, you will find different products as far as this $1 makeup goes. So I did find something that wasn't at the other store, and it is the blush stick, and the shade is Soft Petal, and I love blush sticks, so I was thrilled to find this. So yeah, if you go to different locations, you're going to see different products. I just wanted to make you aware of that. So I did a makeup look today, and what I did was I just filmed the segments for the products that I haven't used with you yet, because in yesterday's video I used the lip peel off lip liner, and that took so much time in the video that I didn't really have time to include any other clips. So in today's video I filmed applying this blush, but I also filmed applying the cream eyeshadow that I showed you in yesterday's video, and I also filmed applying the plumping lip gloss in Strawberry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the other products that I used to do this look today, because I feel like the products that you use with the other products has a big impact on the overall finished look, which is what I have right now. So I started off with my Lush Snow Fairy lip mask, and then I used my Milani Conceal and Perfect Blur Out Smoothing Primer. Then I used the Prolux matte foundation in Ivory from Dollar Tree. I did a whole video about this. Actually, I think I did 2 videos about this because I love it so much. Then I used the NYX Pro Fix Stick Correcting Concealer in pink. Then I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer in 1C. Then I used NYX Buttermelt Bronzer in Buttercup. Now I'll insert the clip of applying the blush. Okay, and after I applied the blush, I used NYX Buttermelt Highlighter in You Butta Work, which is their pink highlighter from the new line of highlighters. Then as an eyeshadow base, I used my Beauty Creations Pastel Please Color Base Primer in Starstruck. And it makes such a difference, guys, having a colored base to work with, and I highly recommend all these. I absolutely love them. I'm so glad I bought them because they really come in handy. All right, now I'll insert the clip of applying the eyeshadow that I got yesterday. This, oh, I should say that this is, let me get the name of it, the Cream Liquid Eyeshadow in Icy Blue. That's what you're about to see. Okay, and then after that, I used the LA Colors Neon Gel Eyeliner in Swell. And then I curled my lashes and used the CoverGirl Lashblast Supercloud Mascara. And then I did my brows with LA Colors Brow Pencil in dark brown. Then I lined my lips with the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in palest pink. If you wear pink lipstick and pink lip glosses or anything along those lines, uh, I highly, highly recommend this liner. You can still get it at Walmart. I just bought another backup in store the other day because this actually is my backup, my original backup that I'm using now. So I had to have another backup for my backup because I use this all the time for pink lip products. So this is an essential for me. All right, now I'll show the clip using the Five Below Plumping Lip Gloss in Strawberry. Okay, and the last thing I did at the very end was I took this Revolution Prism highlighter and put that on my brow bone and inner corners of the eye look. And that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that and found that helpful. And I'm actually planning on going to yet another Five Below today, hoping to find at least one more thing because I think these products are really good. And for $1, why not, you know? Bye. Thanks for watching.